Hello everybody and welcome to this tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to upload your photo so that we know who you are. I know you know who you are and it's easy for you to know us, but there's so many of you that it's hard to keep up with each of you. So if you could upload your picture whenever we are communicating through Moodle, or we're grading your papers, or we're doing something, we can see your picture and it kind of gives us an idea who you are, so we can put a face to the name. Okay, so how do we do that? So what we're going to do is we're going to log in. If you see, I'm logged into my course room here. I've got all my classes are here lined up, my weeks and stuff. So I'm going to go over here to where my profile is, and if you see, you should see your profile, your name is up here. And if you click the little arrow next there to your little icon, it's probably blank right now, but you'll see your name in that little arrow. You can click profile and just click on profile, and that will bring you to your profile. And if you click here, it says edit profile. It will bring you where you can edit your name, your first name, your surname is your last name. You can change your email address there and so on. But you can scroll down just a little bit and you'll see here where it says user picture. And all you got to do is take a picture and drag it and drop it in here. So I'm going to find like a picture for me to use. Like I'll use this American flag picture. We'll pretend that's me. And I'm just going to drag it and drop it in there. Boom. There we go. And then all I got to do is update the profile. And you'll see now the picture has changed. And you can see mine, because I'm logged in, I have a special user called Tommy Tom that I use to experiment with things. I'm logged in as him, but I'm still as an administrator. You can see the small picture there that has changed now, but that is what it would be. Now what I do not want you to come up with a picture like this. I need you to come up with a good picture of your face. Okay, one that I can see, we can see who you are. We don't need you wearing a mask. We don't need you with a whole bunch of people or whatever. Just a close-up picture of you would be fine. Okay, well, thank you very much. I hope this was helpful, and hey, we'll see you in lecture and in class. Talk to you later.